Page 301 is a review worksheet for Unit 23. I normally don't like worksheets, but it's really kind of important you understand this stuff, so we'll just eat our vegetables and do the worksheet. At least part of it anyway. You can do the whole thing. They want you to draw lines matching the boxes on the left with the boxes on the right. You got to figure out what goes where. So in the description of the box on the left, which notes fit that on the right? Remember, we got these 6 chords, the German and French and Italian stuff. You may need to go back and review all that junk. For instance, do the 4, the first one, the 4, 6, 5, 3, where they're telling you it's a German 6. So which one fits that? Now, if you look here, that second box, we're in the, I assume it's key of C major. Where you go up to the 6th down one, and then you do here. Is that not the notes there? I mean, if you go back to the page, it's up here. These are written down here. Same difference. So it'd be the second box. Here. The Italian 6th and the next one, you go down and through them. Go back to those other pages and check the notes. They give you the chords in those other pages, and you can match them up here. Let's go on. Number 2, they want you to draw a line to match the boxes up again. We're transposing. The concert keyed is key of F. They give you the notes. That's in concert key. These other instruments may or may not be concert key. So what are they? Well, on an F horn, remember an F horn is called an F horn because when they see a C, when they have a C in their music, it comes out as an F to us. So it's an F horn. So on if I want to hear an F on a French horn, the music has to be a C. That's the 3rd box down. So for a French horn, that would be it. The viola is going to use the C clef. That's an easy one. The alto clef, the bottom one here, that's what that is. Okay, because the middle line is middle C, and that first note is the 4th. That's it. That's viola. The B-flat trumpet, that's a B-flat instrument. Remember, when a B-flat trumpet sees a C in the music, it's a B-flat to the piano. So it's a difference of there. So the music has to go up 1 instead of an F. It's got to be a G. Now, if we look around for a G, we see one in the first box. That would be for a B-flat trumpet or a clarinet or any B-flat instrument. And then the alto sax will just take the treble clef and pretend it's a bass clef, and you got it. So on an alto sax, if I want here, the second box here. If I read this, pretend that treble clef sign is a bass clef sign, and then change the key signature here, and you've got it. So that would be the second box for the alto sax. Yeah, whatever. Number 3, identify the scale by writing its name and then do the fingering. If you've been doing scales, this is easy. You just do it. It's starting on the first note of the scale, so the first note in the line is the name of the scale. Is it major? It says major. So F major. And you know the fingering for the right hand. Hopefully, and the left hand is just here. The second one is a G, on a G major scale. Here. And then the next one is an E flat. That's E flat major. Start here, 3rd finger on each. And then the last one is a G flat. So it's a G flat major scale. Got B flats in it. And so these playing these, and then these play the others, and you got it. Piece of cake. I hope it's a piece. It'll be a piece of cake someday. You can look forward to that.